If you will keep making this one mistake, you will never be able to speak fluently in English. That is translating in your head from your native language to English. When I started my English learning journey, I used to do this a lot, but I couldn't see much progress. Then I realized whenever I was trying to speak in English, I was translating from my native language to English. That was somewhere affecting my fluency. And then I decided to overcome this flaw of mine. What did I do to overcome this flaw of mine is something I am about to share to all of you guys. So, guys, to overcome that translating issue, I tried some tips and tricks which really worked for me. So, I thought I should share these tips to you guys. I'm sure they will work for you as well. So, let's get started. Tip number one: pick an object and create a short story by using it. You can simply start by describing your surroundings. How can you do that? Well, wherever you are, look around and pick anything, any situation, and start thinking about it and describe it in English, in your own words. Here is an example for the reference. I am picking an object called laptop. I am going to create a story using this object. For example, I can say I have a laptop that my brother gifted me a few years ago. It is silver in color. I use it for my work as I am a writer and I have to work on in page. I also watch movies on it. I spend 2 to 3 hours on my laptop every day. So, likewise, you can also create short stories according to your surroundings. Do this practice every day without skipping a day. Tip number two. Well, tip number two is quite similar to tip number one. Pick a word and again create a short story. For example, I'm choosing a word procrastination. Procrastination is a self defeating behavior when we put off important tasks for no reason. We all procrastinate from time to time. This is a very bad habit and can affect our well being. People who procrastinate experience more stress in the long term. There are a lot of reasons why we may procrastinate. Well, a few of them are fear and anxiety, lack of belief in your abilities, and perfectionism. It was just a random story, likewise, you can create multiple stories. Tip number three: describe situations, feelings, and moods. Describe your current or past situations. You can also talk about your feelings and moods. For example, I was sitting alone in my room feeling bored. Suddenly, my phone rang. I picked up the phone. My friend was on the phone. She wanted to go out for lunch. She asked me to come with her. So, after a few minutes, I was getting ready for the girls' day out. Something like that, you can create a few sentences based on your current mood or based on your past, future activities or situations. It is very easy and simple to do activity. You can do this practice anywhere, anytime without putting so much energy or effort. So, guys, these were the tips I used to train my brain to think in English. I'm sure they will work for you too. So, guys, let me know if these super easy tips and tricks are working for you.